Hello guys, this is Rohan and today I have the new MPOW wireless receiver. It is an audio receiver. So basically if you have a wired device and if you want to make it a wireless, so this is very much useful. Like in cars, if you don't have the Bluetooth, so this is very helpful. It also has a calling feature, it has a microphone, it comes with a charger, the aux cable, and it can be used for laptops, mobile phones, earphones, the iPod, or anything else which is wired and not wireless. So let's start reviewing this. So let's open the box. The packing is good. Okay, from here. Okay, so this is what it is. So, okay, so it is this much small. I don't know, maybe 3" or 2.5". I don't know. So this is the audio receiver. This is the volume buttons, the on and off buttons, the aux cable, and the play pause button, or the answering or rejecting the call button. So this is a microphone basically. So this is it. Let us see what else we get in the box. Okay, this is just a warning manual or something. This is the aux cable with the wire. Okay, so this is cool. So if you have to just plug in this over here and you're all set. So, and if you don't want it, if you, let's say in your car, if you have a USB device that's far from the aux input, so then you can use this one. But if it's nearby, then you can use this one. So this is very good of MPOW to provide us. And this is the charging cable. It if you see, it is a micro USB. And it goes right under here, like this. Okay, so that's cool. Let me remove it. Okay, so there should be something else. Okay, so that's it, I think. And one more feature, it also has, okay, what is this thing? Oh, a sticker to stick it like on your car dashboard, or somewhere where your microphone is easily accessible. Where it is? Oh yeah, here. So that you won't get interrupted, or your voice doesn't get tampered while talking. So the one feature I didn't like about this is you have to turn it on every time you get into the car, or every time you want to use it, because if you turn it on and if there is no Bluetooth device available, or you aren't connected with this device for like say 10 minutes, then it goes off automatically to save battery. So this is a good feature, but like every time you have to turn it off and then turn it on again to use it. And as you see, if you turn it on, you will get a blue light. That means it's turned on and ready to connect with the Bluetooth. Let us connect with the Bluetooth. Okay, so it's automatically connected. No, it's a different device. Let me disconnect that device. Okay, now my Bluetooth is on. Let's search for the available devices. This should be it. Now if you see, it was flickering and now it's not flickering at that frequency. It's flickering slowly, so I think it's getting connected. Oh, and it's connected actually. Yeah, so it is connected. So to know how this works and to know the sound, or if you want to see how is the buffering, or like if it disconnects the Bluetooth, what is the range, I have to go into my car and check it out over there. So let's go. So guys, we are now in my car, and as you see, I have connected this wireless receiver, and I kept this charger. So usually I always keep the charger connected, so in case if the battery goes down, so I don't have to search for the charger and charge it. And if you see, my charger is down, so I think it's efficient and convenient to keep the charger always connected with the receiver, and when the battery dies, I just connect it with the USB cable. And the good part is you can listen to music while on charge, so that's a really good feature. One more thing, I forgot to show you the manual. So this is the manual, and on the third part, if you see on the third page, you get to see everything that this device can do. So if you can read, short press button for calling up. If you want to hang up, then short press the button again. If you want to refuse a call, then long press for 2 seconds, and so on. So it has many great features in this little device. And now let us connect it with my phone. As you can see, this is
connected.
So if I connected it, says connected. So that's a good feature. And then now let's start playing something. One second.
Volume maximum.
this was a sound. It was a pretty good sound, decent sound, and you cannot expect a big bass or something like that. But as you know, it depends on the speaker, what kind of speaker you have. But this device is very good. I've been using for a day now, and the Bluetooth connection is good, and with the voice calling also, the microphone is very great, and the range is great, and you can also connect two devices simultaneously with with this device. So I think it's a very good option to upgrade your car or your headphones or wired device if you want to make it wireless. So I think you should try it. It's really worth it. I bought it for $10, and I'll post the link in my section in my video, and you can click the link and you can buy it. So that's it for today, and if you have any questions, please post in my comment section, and stay safe.